In a beautiful village, a woman lives in a small home with her young son, while her husband works far away. One morning, she wakes up and begins her daily routine. But today, she plans to cook something special. She decides to prepare a delicious chicken curry using a chicken from their farm. Meanwhile, her little son starts crying, but their loyal dog comes to comfort him. As always, the child soon begins playing happily with the dog, and the mother, feeling reassured, continues with her cooking. Now, she takes one of the chickens from her farm and prepares it for cooking. After cutting and cleaning the meat, she collects some fresh vegetables from the plants in their yard. With everything ready, she begins the cooking process for today's meal. Now, all the vegetables are being washed thoroughly with water. After cleaning, each item is carefully chopped and prepared for cooking. Once everything is ready, she places a pot on the stove and begins the cooking process. Meanwhile, her little son is playing happily with their loyal dog. The mother notices this and feels very happy, trusting the dog as it plays gently and safely with her child. Now, she begins the cooking process. First, she pours a sufficient amount of oil into the pot on the stove. Once the oil is hot, she starts adding the chopped spices: green chilies, onions, ginger garlic paste, followed by turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, and other spices. She also adds tomato sauce, capsicum, cinnamon, cardamom, and bay leaves. After sautéing the spices well, she adds the chicken pieces, and the cooking continues beautifully, creating a rich and flavorful dish. While cooking, she starts to feel a bit tired, so she goes to their field and picks a fresh watermelon. After bringing it back, she cuts it nicely, enjoys a few pieces herself, and keeps the rest prepared to be eaten later. After preparing the meal, she lovingly sets everything on the table and calls her son to eat. But suddenly, she notices something unusual inside the house. In fear and confusion, she believes something terrible may have happened. Acting out of panic, she makes a heartbreaking mistake in that moment of misunderstanding. A few seconds later, she looks again, and the truth slowly unfolds before her eyes. Her little son is safe, playing under the bed, completely unaware of what just happened. Nearby, a dangerous snake lies lifeless, revealing the real story. It becomes clear that the loyal dog had protected the child, risking its own life to save him. Realizing the truth, the mother is overwhelmed with emotion. But the moment of misunderstanding has already changed everything.